In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix wrong address locations on Google Maps. First, open Google Maps and search for the address or location that has incorrect information. Next, tap on the location to open its details page. Scroll down and select Suggest and Edit. From there, choose the option to change name or other details if the address information is incorrect, or select the appropriate edit option available for the location. Enter the correct address details and make any other necessary changes. Once you're done, review the information carefully and tap Submit to send your edit to Google. Google will review the suggested change before updating the listing, so it may take some time for the correction to appear. You can also check the status of your submitted edits through your Google Maps contributions and notifications. Keep in mind that some edits are approved quickly, while others may require additional verification. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.